The average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 44. What is the highest of these numbers? This is the question. So here what is given is the average is given of what? Of 5 consecutive even numbers. And what is asked? What is the highest of these numbers? So let's solve this question in two ways. Okay, solution in two ways. First we will solve this using regular method, right? Then I will talk about the shortcut for this method, Okay. So first of all, let's understand what is consecutive numbers. What is consecutive numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is a consecutive number series where the number increase by a certain difference. Here the difference is just 1. Okay. So if this continues, this is called a consecutive number series. Consecutive number series. Here there are two types of number series. One is consecutive odd number series and consecutive even number series. What is the consecutive odd number series? Let us say 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on is consecutive odd number series. Then what is consecutive even number series? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is consecutive even number series. Okay. So in a consecutive odd number series, the difference is 2 and the series starts from 1. Not necessarily it starts from 1, it can start from any odd number. It could be 55, it could be 121, whatever it may be. Okay. It has to start from an odd number and the number increases by 2. Similarly, in a consecutive even number series, the number has to start from an even number and it can go to any extent. Okay. This is about consecutive number series which may be odd or even. Okay. So now what is given is average is given. Okay. So what is average? Right? Total value divided by number of values. Okay. So here what is the total value? We can just add. Okay. So here we do not know what is where the number series starts. Okay. Let us say the number series starts at x and next what we have is x plus 2, next we have x plus 4, next we have x plus 6 and we have x plus 8. So we have added 5 consecutive even numbers. X is an even number, x plus 2 is an even number and x plus 4 is an even number, x plus 6 is an even number and x plus 8 is an even number divided by 5. This gives the average. Okay. So now what is asked is what is the highest of these numbers, and before that what is given is the average. How much is the average? 44. Okay. Now let us add this up. How many x? 1, 2, 3, 4 and there are 5 x and numbers 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20. So 5 x plus 20 divided by 5 is equal to 44. This gives what? 5 into 44 how much? 220. On the left hand side we have got 5x plus 20. Okay. So 5x equal to how much? 200, x equal to 40. So x is we have got x, the value of x. So what is the highest number here? So, we have got x equal to 40, that is where the series starts from, and the series ends at x plus 8. So, x plus 8 is the highest number, equal to x plus 8, which is 40 plus 8 equal to 48. This is the answer. This is the regular method. Now, let us look at the shortcut. So, in the shortcut method, we are going to use a property of this series. Okay. If it is a consecutive odd number or even number, right, and if the count is odd, that is, if the count number of values is 5, or it may start from 3 also, 3, 5, 7 and so on, right, then the middle number is the average. Okay. So, here we have got consecutive even numbers and it is 5. So, it is an odd number. So, it is an odd number. So, the middle number is the average. What is the average here? 44 is the average. So, that is the middle number, and we have got 2 numbers after 44 and 2 numbers before 44. So, let us write the numbers after 44. 46 is the next even number and 48 is the last even number. Before that, you have got 42, and before 42 you have got 40. So, this is the 5 consecutive even number, and 44 is the middle number, which is the average for this 5 consecutive even numbers. So, what is the highest number here? 48 is the highest number. So, we have easily identified the highest number using the shortcut method. Okay. This is the answer.